In this video, I'm going to be working on an individual integral. We're going to take a look at the integral of x secant squared 2x dx. Now, in this problem, we're going to be doing an integration by parts, and I'm going to use a shortcut method. And we're also, at some point in time in the video, we'll need to be have to take the integral of tangent theta d theta. And if you've already got that memorized as the natural log of the absolute value of secant theta plus c, then that's going to make things go a lot smoother. Alright, now, obviously you can do integration by parts the long way. Alright, however, as long as the problem's nice and it comes out really kind of short, then I like a shortcut method here. So for my shortcut method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with two columns, one for my derivative and one for my integral. Okay, so let's do derivative and integral columns. Alright, now, you're going to pick your u and v, or your derivative and your integral part, just the same way you would for if you were doing integration by parts the long way. So looking at this, this one is the one that's going to be a little bit more challenging to integrate. This one I'm going to be able to take the derivative really easy, so I'm going to let my derivative be x, and then in my integral column I'm going to have secant squared of 2x. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and run down this derivative column. Taking the derivative of x, I'm going to have a 1. And then taking the derivative of 1, I'm going to have 0. Alright, now what that does, because I was able to take that derivative column all the way down to 0, I know that this one is going to work out really nicely as far as the shortcut for integration by parts goes. Alright, now my main thing is, here you've got to be able to integrate the secant squared of 2x. Now, hopefully, if you're doing the shortcut, you know, you've been doing integrals enough that you can just automatically do this in your head. Alright, but for the video, I am going to go ahead and actually do the integration here on the two steps, just so you can see everything. Obviously, if you already can integrate that and do it in your head and do it successfully, then you could fast forward through this part. Alright, but let's say that we do need to do the integral of that secant squared 2x dx. Alright, if I was going to show my work and work this out, I would do this as a u-substitution, letting that 2x be my u. So u would be 2x, taking the derivative of both sides, du is equal to 2 dx. Dividing both sides by 2, I'd have a du over 2 equals dx. Okay, so hopefully that allows you to really easily see that we're going to be pulling out a 1/2 here. Alright, so taking this down a notch, I'm going to replace things. So I'll have the integral of secant squared, the 2x is going to be replaced with u, and the dx will be replaced with the du over 2. Alright, there's our 1/2 coming out. And then I'm integrating secant squared u du. Alright, that one you should have memorized as long as you've got your derivatives and integrals memorized here as being tangent. So then I'm going to have a 1/2 tangent u plus c, and the plus c right now is not really important. Replacing that u with what it's going to be, I'll have a 1/2 tangent 2x. Okay, so in this column right here where I have integrated that, I'm going to have a 1/2 tangent 2x. Alright, and then like I said, if you could have done that really easily and realized the 1/2 would have come out, then you could just do it without writing all of this out. That's the whole point of the shortcut. Alright, and then I know I've got to integrate one more time, because I've got to take this and integrate. I have to have these rows come out even here. So let's go ahead and actually show the integration for the second one here. It's a 1/2. I'm going to automatically pull that 1/2 out. So I'm 1/2 the integral of tangent of 2x dx. Alright, again, this is going to be a u substitution, where we're going to let that u be that 2x on the inside. Taking the derivative of both sides, du is equal to 2 dx. And again, I'm going to be pulling out that 1/2 on this. Okay, so coming back up here and replacing, I've already got the 1/2 that I've already pulled out. I'm integral here of tangent, replacing the 2x with the u, and replacing the dx with the du over 2. That's going to have me pulling out this 1/2. With the 1/2 here, I will have a 1/4 the integral of tangent u du. Alright, and then here again, if you have this memorized as being the natural log absolute value secant theta, then it makes this integration kind of easy. If you don't have that memorized, I would definitely put that on your list of things that need to be memorized. So we'd have a 1/4 natural log, absolute value, secant u, and then again the plus c right now is not really important, replacing u with what it is, 1/4 natural log, absolute value, secant 2x. Okay, so that then going in our last column over here for our integral. So I'm going to have a 1/4 natural log, absolute value, secant 2x. All right, now the remainder of this shortcut method I need to have memorized. I'm going to go down this left-hand column, and I'm going to start with a plus, and then a minus, and then a plus. And then you're going to multiply on the angles. So I'm going to multiply this x by the 1/2 tangent 2x. I'm going to multiply the 1 with the negative out in front times the 1/4 natural log secant 2x. All right, now because this went down to a 0, doing those two multiplications, writing it as one great big long expression is going to result in our answer right away. Okay, so up here, let's write it underneath here. I'm going to have multiplying these two. I'm going to have a 1/2 x tangent of 2x. Multiplying these two, positive and a negative is going to give me a negative here, so I'll have a minus. And then 1/4 natural log, absolute value, secant 2x, and now we can go ahead and put that plus c on the end. So as a final answer, all right, there we have a final answer. Okay, so really, if you could have done this integration in your head without writing all the steps out, this would have been a really quick video. All right, but if you need to write it out, go ahead, write it out. Use your shortcut here if you want to see more examples of that integration by parts shortcut. I've definitely got videos on my channel for that, as well as integration by parts using the actual formula that you're taught in class and doing it the long way. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit as well, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.